In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PowerPoint slides in just 5 minutes. Creating a PowerPoint presentation is a skill that can come in handy in many situations, whether you're preparing for a school project, a business meeting, or just want to share information in a visually engaging way. PowerPoint, a component of the Microsoft Office suite, offers a wide range of features that can help you create presentations that not only look professional, but also easy to put together. And whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, let's get PowerPoint up and running on your computer. If you have it installed, you'll typically find it in your Start menu on a Windows PC or in the Applications folder on a Mac. Open Microsoft PowerPoint to get started. When you launch PowerPoint, it usually greets you with several options for creating your presentation. For our purposes today, we want to start with a clean slate, so go ahead and click on Blank Presentation. This option gives you a fresh canvas, making it easier to customize your slides exactly the way you want. Once you have your blank presentation open, you might be itching to add some content. This is where the fun begins. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the window. This tab is your gateway to a multitude of features that can enhance your slides, such as adding text boxes, images, shapes, and much more. However, let's not get ahead of ourselves. We'll explore these options in just a moment. As you start creating your presentation, you'll likely want to add more slides. This is crucial for organizing your content into manageable, topic-specific chunks. To add a new slide, click on the New Slide button. But here's a pro tip. Instead of just clicking on the button directly, which inserts a default slide layout, click on the small arrow next to it. This action will open a menu displaying various types of slide layouts such as title slides, content slides, comparison slides, and more. Each layout is designed with a specific purpose in mind, offering placeholders for titles, text, and images, which can significantly speed up your slide creation process. Now let's talk about choosing the right type of slide for your content. The key to a good presentation is not just what you say, but how you present it. For instance, if you're introducing a new topic, the title slide or section header layout can be quite effective. On the other hand, if you want to compare two ideas, products, or sets of data, the comparison layout is a perfect choice. Each layout provides a different way to structure your information, making your presentation not just more visually appealing, but also easier to follow for your audience. Remember, the best presentations are those that tell a story, and how you arrange your slides plays a big part in this. Keep your content clear, concise, and visually engaging. Utilize the variety of slide layouts to effectively communicate your message. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of slides to see what works best for your specific needs. Creating a PowerPoint presentation doesn't have to be daunting. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to making slides that are both informative and visually captivating. Practice is key, so I encourage you to explore PowerPoint further and experiment with its many features. Remember, the goal is to communicate your ideas in a way that resonates with your audience, and with the tools and tips we've discussed today, you're equipped to do just that. There you have it, a quick and easy guide to making PowerPoint slides. Whether you're prepping for a school assignment, a business presentation, or any other project, these steps will help you get started and finish with confidence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.